Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you receive a credit from a vendor that you want to enter and later use against the next bill you receive from them, you can easily do that in QuickBooks. To enter the vendor credit, open the Enter Bills window by selecting Vendors, Enter Bills from the menu bar. Then select the option button for Credit at the top of the Enter Bills window. The word Credit should then appear at the top of the form. At that point, select the name of the vendor who issued the credit from the Vendor dropdown. Enter the date you received the credit from the Date Calendar selector. If there is a number associated with the credit, enter that number into the Reference Number field. Then enter the amount of the credit into the Credit Amount field. Select the accounts or items that the credit will affect on the Expenses or Items tab as appropriate at the bottom of the window. Then click the Save and Close button to save the credit for later use when you go to pay the next bill from that vendor through the Pay Bills window.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.